Okay, so guys, in my last video, I showed you guys this. It was a short. I showed you guys this secret room I found, which is in one of the old loading screens, and it's for robot monkeys. One of you asked how to get to it. That's what today I'm going to show you. So you're going to need an umbrella, a teleport gun, and a hook shot. You need to put the hook shot in your hip slot. Go over here to the wall. Put it here. If you put the teleport gun up to the wall and grab it from the end, it should teleport through the wall. There we go. And then if you activate it, you'll be over here. You have to I have to hook it up to here. Or you could use a teleport gun. Problem. Okay, so that did not go as planned, and I'm gonna have to retry that. So don't go underneath that little lip thing. Okay, so that did not work. And don't know if you could do it from over here, but okay, yeah, that's not a good idea. So now I'm back in the shop. Okay, so remember, do not go underneath that little ledge there. Try to stay away from the ledge. Okay. Hold on. Why isn't it working? They might have patched it. Okay, well, once you finally get to this section here. So once you finally get to the wall of the lake, unlike me, then so once you finally get to the wall of the lake, then you have to hook shot up here, avoiding the ledge. Or you can use the teleport gun. And you can get to the top of the hill. So once you're up and you look around, there should be a dot this direction. So that dot over there, you see that? You need to teleport over there. So keep on teleporting over there. Yes. Okay, so when you get here, you should. Yeah, so it should say connection lost. And then there's this kind of stuff. I'm not sure what this is. I'm pretty sure it's like it's something in the future. But you could. I'm not sure if it will work if you take these, but you can pick them up and mess around with them. And there's the exit crystal here. Which is what you go to get to the glitch version of the beach map, or lake map, whatever you want to call it. Okay, hold on, I can't get up. So, I don't know if you can get up while holding the robot monkeys, but... Okay, so I'm pretty sure you can take one, but you have to use the teleport gun to be able to get up. And then just jump into it. Then that's when you end up hit. But all of these things will go to in front of you. And there will be like a white version of the map. Then it should say critical simulation collapse. If there's ever a bunch over here. And if you swim into this, like if you jump into it, and then you'll see the entire ship explode. And then you're back. And you should just have a robot monkey. Yeah, so the robot monkey 2000. So now you can just activate it and you go. Just jump over here or like explode or something. And you can glitch through multiple different things. You can't. It's not just that wall that you can glitch through. You can glitch through every single wall. This technique. And I'm pretty sure you can also glitch through this one. Yeah, you can like enter in the same places. Like here. I'm pretty sure you can go inside of the stand. Yeah. But anyway, that is how you get to the area for the vast. And your umbrella will deactivate, because... Goodbye.